Okay.
Okay, bye. Hello?
Kaya gusto ko gago kaya umalis sa bahay.
Hello, I'm here.
Tara na!
Guys, don't ignore me. I'm right here. Grabe, iniwan niyo ako.
Kung tigil niyo yung inuman niyo, babalik ako gusto niya.
Thanks, bro. You're here. Grabe, iniwan ako.
Ito sa lahat.
Hey, kinig ba ako?
Wala na hindi nababalik.
Ano yan?
Ano ba yun?
Ano yan? Ubas ang kwarto ni Jesse, mura ng mura.
Hey, what's up? Hey. Hey, bro. Hello?
How are you?
I'm good.
What the fuck?
Hello? Uy. Hello? Hey. Hello? Hey, bro.
Hello, bro. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Romania. Shit. Hey, guys.
Itu kayak punya makeup nila.
Tukah bahaya mari.
Hey, bro.
Tanggin mo. Oh,
Hey. Hello? Hey, bro. How are you doing? Hey, guys.
Hey, happy birthday.
Oh, wait. It's my birthday, yeah? Hey,
Yeah,
bro.
Riz yan. Sige nga, bitaw nga.
Chris?
Nagre-riz ka, kuya.
Sige, subukan ko lang.
Oh,
Anong English ng...
medyo. Wait lang.
Shit! Hello? Oh! Sorry! Sinip ako, grabe. Hello? 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 Hey, guys.
Kami muna, pa. Kami muna, uwi. Uwi muna, tag ng...
Hello?
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. Where are you from?
Same, Philippines.
Pinoy.
Yep,
We're in the Philippines.
sa Cebu. You
Manila.
know, do you understand Bisaya?
Yawa.
You got me there. You understand Bisaya pala?
Hindi, no. I don't know.
Or a little bit lang?
Not really. Ilocano, yes.
Okay. Ilocano. So, you're more on Tagalog? English?
Yeah, both. Yeah.
That's good. Okay, so, what's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Sophia.
Oh,
Nice to meet you. I'm Clark.
hi, Clark.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Are you in college?
Yeah, second year.
Oh, okay.
How about you?
I'm in third year college.
Ooh, what course did you pick?
Tourism.
That's awesome. Nice.
How about you po?
Engineering.
Oh, what kind of engineer?
Computers.
Computers. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
You're smart.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 20. How about you?
I'm 17.
17? Oh, that's good.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. No worries.
Wait, by the way, are you on live or you're doing stream?
I sometimes stream. Actually, I'm not live right now. I just stream like sometimes
On TikTok?
on like YouTube and Twitch.
Oh my gosh, are you like a YouTuber or... Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Nice meeting you. Hello. Hello. Hey,
Oh, bro. Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am Alhamdulillah. I am.
Hello.
Binitawan.
Hey.
Streamer, pre. Kilala ko to. Nakita ko sa TikTok to eh. Valorant.
Oh.
Valorant streamer. Oo, tol. Nagbabalorant to eh. Wait lang.
No.
Di ba? Di ba, Ra? Kilala mo to, Ra?
Di ba nag-Valorant streamer siya?
Nagbabalo to, di ba, Ra?
Oo.
Di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo
Oh,
eh.
thank you guys. Thank you so much. Actually, nag-live ako ngayon. Gusto nyo sumali?
Di ba? Di ba? Tama kami, ya?
Yeah, I play Valorant. Yeah.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah.
We see some future on small streamers.
Thank you everyone. Thank you guys.
Ganda kuya.
Ganda kuya.
Round of applause.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you,
You
thank
guys have a
you.
great night. Hello.
What?
Hello. Hey. Hello. Hi guys.
Remote KJ.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, kung
Taga saan kayo?
Ilocos.
Ilocos Norte.
Oo. Bakit ikaw?
Taga Cebu. Shit. What is ko? Sorry. Hi.
Hello po.
Taga saan ka?
Laguna po.
Okay.
Hello.
I'm from Cebu.
Cebu. Cebuano
Yeah. You understand Bisaya?
pala to.
Hello.
Oh my god!
Why?
I just dropped my water. Oh my
Ah.
goodness.
Water bottle?
Yeah.
Oh. I hope it didn't spill though.
It is spilled
Oof.
on my back.
Oh.
The heck, bro?
Wait. How's
Is everything?
Don't tell. How many water does it spill?
A lot.
Oh shoot.
Like a lot.
No way. Hey. Hey guy.
Uy, kuya.
Hey.
Saan ka, kuya?
Kumusta? Ha?
Saan ka, kuya? Okay lang ako.
Taga Cebu. Ikaw ba?
Cebu. Layo ah.
Yeah.
Pangasinan pa ako.
Pangasinan. I've been to Pangasinan like 2024 pa.
Saan sa Pangasinan?
Hey. Hello.